Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Hong Kong style mango pancakes. For the crepes, we need 1 cup of whole milk. We're going to sift in 50 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of cornstarch, and 25 grams of powdered sugar. I'll put the cup measurements in the description box below. We just want to make sure there are no large lumps in this. And once all of our dry ingredients are in, we're going to give this a little mix to combine the wet and dry ingredients. A couple more things have to go into this, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter and 2 medium eggs. Give these a little crack and just pop them right in. We're going to give this a really good whisk to get a silky smooth batter. And to make sure it's as smooth as it can possibly be, once this is all mixed together, we're going to pass this through a strainer, just into a measuring cup or a large bowl. Now over on the stove, I'm heating a small nonstick pan, and nonstick is very important for this. We're going to ladle in about 1/4 cup of our batter. We're just going to let this cook until we start seeing air bubbles. We don't have to flip it over. Once that bottom part is cooked, it's good to go. We're going to continue to ladle in and make our crepes until all the batter is used up. And I'm just cooling these on a cooling rack. And you're going to notice there is a shiny side and a brown side. I like to flip it over so the brown side is on the bottom to preserve that beautiful shiny top part. We're going to let those cool and make some whipped cream. So to the bowl of a stand mixer or to a large bowl with a hand mixer, we're going to add 1 1/4 cup of heavy cream, a pinch of salt, a 1/2 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla paste. I'm sorry, 1/2 teaspoon. Now I let this go a little too long, but I think it's salvageable. Now for this, I'm using pre-cut mangoes to make my life easier. To assemble our pancakes, we're going to flip the shiny side down, and then we're going to spoon in 1 1/2 tablespoons of our whipped cream. I need to clean off my hand here. We're going to nestle a mango chunk right in the middle. Just going over to clean my hand. And then we're going to fold this up like a little pillow. And we're going to continue to do this until all of our crepes are folded up. And we want to set these in the fridge for 30 minutes so that cream can set up a little bit. Now it's been a 1/2 hour, and we're going to sprinkle a little powdered sugar on top. It covers any cracks or any mistakes. Now to serve, I'm just going to put one on a plate, and the beauty of this is when you cut it open. And this is stunning. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. The crepe itself is eggy. It's not very sweet. There's not a lot of sweetness in this. The mango is tart and a little crunchy because it's not really mango season, but it's the perfect counterpart to this soft, pillowy crepe and that beautiful whipped cream. But there they are, Hong Kong style mango pancakes. I hope you all try to make these in your home. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate it. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again. And until next time, happy cooking.